at noon. Something we should all be familiar with. All right. The 51B bus lady zigzags and mascara wand across her bottom lashes, while the man in ski goggles screams for the 29th time, "Fuck the police!" Let's say it with them on the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Fuck the police!
He pulls out a sandwich with the crust cut off. Fat pigeons people watch on telephone wires, making metal go up and down like an EKG. The cop speed wobbles on his Segway, but still thinks he's God. At noon, the stars count us and make up stories about how we got stuck like this.